Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I take down my twist out. So you're going to need some oil, a pick, and your fingers. And you're just going to take the oil, and I like to do this so that I don't create any frizz and I don't disrupt my curls. So I'm just going to take my fingers and run them down the twist, and then I am going to slowly take out the twist like so. So I'm not going to rush so I don't create any frizz. And then once I finally take the whole twist out, I'm just going to tug on both sections so that I create a little bit of tension and it's not as shrunken to my head. So I'm just going to repeat this process all throughout my head until I get all the twists out. I had this twist out in for about 3 days now, so I'm super excited because it's pretty defined, and I only used leave-in conditioners to do this twist out. I didn't need any twisting butters, any twisting jellies. I didn't need any gels or anything like that. I just used my leave-in, and my hair feels super moisturized. It's super soft, and I'm super excited to show you guys the final result. So if you guys want to see how I continue to take these twists out and how I define them and give it definition and some volume, just stay tuned. Now all my twists are out, so I'm just going to take all those 2-strand sections and I'm just going to section them into 3 or 4 sections just to allow my hair to get a little bit more volume. So I'm just doing this throughout the head to make sure that, each strand has a little bit more volume than before. I'm going to make sure that I'm not causing any frizz. This is sped up, so it seems like I'm going really fast, but I really did take my time to take each section out. Just noise, white noise, just noise, white noise. I'm hearing static, you're like an automatic. So now I'm just going through and I'm picking out my hair. I'm not doing it in any particular order. I'm just going through and picking out wherever I feel like needs more volume. And I'm also going through and I am separating those already separated sections, just to, have my hair a little bit more poofier because I like that look a lot more. So yeah, this is the final result of my twist out, and I'm pretty excited and I'm pretty happy about it. I could have used more product just for the ends because I did have to go through and shape the ends, and I had to clip them off so that my hair kind of cooperated the way I wanted it to. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with the results. So if you guys like this twist out, or if you like the takedown or the method I used to give it volume, please give this a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.